Alright, before we move any further forward, I'm going to create a GitHub repository and try to do some commits every now and then. So if you're familiar with how to use GitHub, you can pull down, whatever commit you're working on. So I'm going to go to my repository here, create a new one, MDLPress, material design, light, WordPress theme. It's going to be public, and I'm not going to initialize it. So I created that. Alright, now back in my files, I'm going to close some of this stuff. I'm going to add a gitignore file. I'm going to grab some of the things that I've ignored in other. So you'll notice I ignored node modules and Bower components, mostly because node modules has a ton of stuff in it, and that'd be a lot of space. And Bower components can be pulled down once the user downloads the theme files. I'm also going to ignore JS, src, and JS hint ignore. So that should get me going. Now I can go back and pretty much just follow the instructions that they give me. So I'm going to end my gulp task with Control C. I'll do git ignit, git add. I'm going to add everything with the asterisk. Then I can do git status to see everything that's added. Looks good. Now I just need to do my first commit. Git commit. So far we have the starter theme, MDL, SAS, and a simple grid layout. Added all those. Now I need to add this remote repository here. Added, and then git push origin. Origin master. So that should push all the files up to my repository now. Now we can check it and see what we got. Here we go. There's our repository with all the latest files. You can see that the readme is still the underscore readme file. We'll need to change that in a future tutorial. Again, if this is a little over your head or you feel like I'm moving too fast, I break all these steps down at bootstrapwp.com, so be sure to check out those tutorials if you need a little bit more assistance. I'm going to end this tutorial here and we'll move forward with styling some things with MDL.